two generators running side by side. You can see this one's super smooth. This one's rough and it shakes. After a little while, especially if I plug anything into it under load, it'll really shake and then it'll die. And then we just give a pull on the cord, it starts right back up, runs for a little while, and then it shakes really hard and it dies. I put a little extra oil in it, see if that would fix it. That hasn't. Anyway, we bought the two together, and you can see this one's super smooth. This one's just rough.